Hello everybody, I'm Farhang and I'm here to show you how to make files in Linux. So here I'm using a GNOME shell on a Debian testing. So I have this way of making a new file over here. Normally when you right click in a folder, there's a new folder and then there's open with and nothing in between. So I have this new document option over here in which I have two different types of file to make. If I click it, it will make that file for me, right? So how did I make that happen? In the templates folder, if you have files, then the GNOME is going to use them as templates to make new files, right? So these are two empty files, as you can see, 0 bytes over here. But I can actually use different types of files. Like I can have an empty text file, or I can have a text file that has something written in it already. But it is a template for making new files anyway. But I'm also going to talk to you about another way of making files, which is a more general way of doing it, which works on other Linux distributions as well. So over here, if I open a terminal, I can use a command in the terminal to make a new file. First, I will go into a playground that I have made, and then I will touch my file.txt, and then when I ls over here, I can see that file.txt is over here. So um, touch, actually, if you look at the manual for touch, you can see that change file timestamps is what it does, right? So usually if you have a file that is made already and you use the command touch on it, then it only changes the timestamp of that file. But if that file doesn't exist, it will make the file. So those are the two ways that I use on my Linux system to make new files. As I said, the first one was using the GNOME file manager and using templates. And then the other one was using the terminal. And I hope you have learned something new today. Take good care and bye.